Just left the Hungry Horse Dam and Reservoir. Figured we'd drive down to the South Fork Flathead River. Found this beautiful waterfall on the side of the road. We stopped and checked out the spot where we wanted to do our experiment. Two problems. First of all, someone's down there fishing, which we still might go down there. Second of all, the water is so low, I'm not sure our experiment's going to work. But we still might try it. I think we got to bring you guys back here in the spring. You can see where the water line's at. It's just so low. It'll look so different in the spring. I had to show you a beautiful waterfall. Near the bottom of the Hungry Horse Dam in northwest Montana. Falling into the South Fork Flathead River. Those of you just joined us, we're in Hungry Horse, Montana today, checking out the dam, the reservoir, the river. Just enjoying some time in nature. Be sure to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And most importantly, go out and have fun in nature yourself. That's the point in this. You never know what you can see. I didn't know I was coming across a waterfall today. So what are your goals in 2026? Let us know in the comments. I want to learn to can, and good news is my sister is going to let me record her teaching me how to can. We also want to take a backcountry trip. We're looking forward to that. Maybe in the Jewel Basin area. I want to learn how to make more all-natural soaps and laundry detergents and things without all the chemicals. So if any of our subscribers have any recipes that they like to share, I do my own lavender linen spray, which I'll eventually get to. A little peppermint eucalyptus air freshener. Do all kinds of teas. But I want to learn so much more. So if you have a favorite tea recipe, a favorite herb, something that helps your body. I do a lot of peppermint, mullein. We put rosemary and thyme in everything we cook. Garlic, onion. Sometimes we'll add fresh basil. So I'm interested in anyone's tea recipes or make all natural products. We'd love to get to a point where we grow our own food, make our own medicine, and make our own products. Soak it in, guys. Gorgeous. Take a short walk and then we'll go down and check out the crazy bend in the river. I think the last time the video that's on YouTube, I think it was spring, so it's going to look a lot different, and I'm not sure our experiment's going to work. Sorry, there's a little fill. Let's see if we can see the bottom of the dam from over here. There you go. We just walked across it, drove across it. Saw those beautiful snowy mountains on the other side. Kind of cloudy back here. There's some sound up there. South Fork Flathead River. Just below the Hungry Horse Dam and Reservoir. The sign says the friendliest damn town in America. So there's the gate up there. It would stop us from going any further down. 564 feet. One of the largest concrete arch bridges in America. There's sunshine up there. Maybe we should go back up there. Mullein! Look at that baby. I mean, to me it's too close to the road, but
it's humongous.
That is a mullein plant, also known as cowboy toilet paper. If you have not checked out that article, please do so. We have jars of it dried up, ready to go this winter. We got the 1-year plants. It's a biennial. So the first year, they're rosettes, very soft leaves. The second year, they turn into these flowering stalks. Great for respiratory. We do tea and tincture, especially in the winter. Help you with bronchitis, pneumonia, any type of respiratory infection. Alright guys, I think we're going to head down the Devil's Elbow, that crazy bend in the Flathead River. If you hadn't checked that video out, do so. Taken a few years ago, I believe, during the spring, so the fall's going to look a lot different as low as the water is. So let's go see what it looks like.